today this video is for the corndog lover because I think the corndog is only in US, but no, this one is here said it's original from South Korea, and actually the place is South Korea place, and they have amazing corn dog in there. And I want to show you how look like. This one is like a fresh market, or not fresh market, but food market or food court, something like that. And it's so nice, the corn dog. I hope that you like. And well, guys, it's nothing. It's just show you the amazing corn dog that he sell here. Okay, go to the video. I hope you enjoy. Look at this corn dog.
Well, guys, look so delicious. Outside they put potato chips, cheddar cheese, ketchup, whatever that you want. Look delicious. I don't try this food because no, it's a vegetarian food, but I want to share with you all this kind of food. This one looks so delicious. The price is around $1 and a half. The maximum is $2 and a half. Well, guys, I hope you like, and see you later.